We're creators, yet we're in the business of selling perceptions and creating memories. To many people, we're many things. We're enablers and validators just as often as we're leaders and emancipators. Art is propaganda, man. Beautiful lies telling the truth. Here's the thing, if artists actually just put like a fourth of their creativity into how they presented themselves, a little bit of that fire into entrepreneurial thinking, how hard could it be to find an audience that loves you in this cultural continent of literally billions? You are more than an artist in this digital age. You are a story within stories. You are a cultural entity. Culture is base, and you are lead. I'm Faris. I run the international artist development company Dreaming in Third Person. And my mission is to inspire artists. Join me for an interactive workshop on holistic artist development, branding and marketing, release campaigns, copyright law, and audience psychology. I hope to see you there.